their biscuits? Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make another air fryer recipe. We made the air fried pickles the other day, and so Cassie had found a second recipe that she wanted me to try, and this one is air fried Nutella donut holes. So she found this on the Taste of Home website. So that's what we're going to make today. Let's get started. For this recipe you are going to need 1 can of 8 biscuits and bring that to room temperature, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of water, about 2/3 cup of Nutella, and then some flour to spread out on the countertop so we can roll out our biscuits. Alright, so first of all you want to prep probably a cookie sheet or some type of a platter that you can put your little donut holes on. So I just have some wax paper on a cookie sheet. Alright, so first of all you want to prep probably a cookie sheet or some type of a platter that you can put your little donut holes on. So I just have some wax paper on a cookie sheet. Wait! Okay. I was just gonna say, does anybody else get scared when they open their biscuits? That went really quickly. Sometimes it goes quickly, sometimes I gotta stick a knife in there to get it to pop. Maybe because it's at room temperature. That's funny. Alright, let's put some flour on my countertop. I have a ruler to measure out. Although I think I'm gonna mix up our egg, but the bowl here is like 6 inches. So I just might use that for my measuring guide. Alright, let's grab one of these out. Keeps wanting to shrink back. Let's see. Is that about 6 inches? Oh yeah. So then I'm going to take a knife and we're going to cut it in quarters. Alright. To figure out my production and how I want to do this, but you're supposed to take about 1 teaspoon of the Nutella. Wow. And stick it in the middle. Whee! And then we'll just roll this up. Pinch the ends together. Maybe. Tee-hee! We'll learn as we go. My chocolate gonna be sticking out. And keep going. Okay, now we are going to beat together our egg and 1 tablespoon of water, and then we're going to brush that on top of our little pastries, our little donuts. Should be nice because some of these pastries are a little full of flour, so they kind of are sticking but not. So the ones that aren't sticking, I should be able to use this as it's wet. We'll be able to make it stick more. We will preheat our air fryer to 300 degrees, and so we preheat that for that 3 minutes, and then we'll go from there. Whoops! I forgot to take the storage basket out. That's pretty hot, so we'll just do that. Silly me. Alright. So we have our other little basket in there. We're just going to layer these in then in a single layer. And then we will cook them for 4 minutes and then turn them over and go for another 2 to 4. Smells good. Smell, oh boy. Our chocolate is spitting out. Well, live and learn, right? Now I know. Oh, they're sticking together in here too. Can't touch. Alright, we'll put them back in. Well, let's say we go for another 3. Alright. Let's check that out. They look pretty good, pretty crisp. Got my chocolate squirting out. Oh, we got a lot of chocolate in there. Ooh. Alright. Well, for the moment, we'll have this, and then we'll nicely decorate them with a little bit of powdered sugar. Alrighty, so the Nutella donut holes are done. Obviously my first time making them. As I didn't realize, didn't know how it was going to work. And to have that chocolate squirting out of a lot of them, that was kind of surprising. I guess I figured biscuits do kind of get bigger as they bake a little bit, but didn't think that would happen. So I guess my suggestion would be, if you were to make these, to make sure that all the ends are all wrapped up and there aren't any like holes that the chocolate could squirt out. So that's about it. I will leave the recipe for this down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried to make donut holes, in the air fryer, or again, what your favorite recipe is that you like to make, and maybe we'll try that one next. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. All right, let's see. See if this has your chocolate in there. You can kind of tell. Oh, I see a line in there. That's okay. Obviously with some of the chocolate coming out, it tastes more like pastry than it does chocolate. I was hoping for more of a chocolate taste, but the amount of Nutella that I had put in each one of these two was almost like that was the amount you could have in there with being able to wrap it up. But it's still a good snack, so enjoy. Hi, Jenny here. Today it's kind of the middle of winter, woke up to -7 degrees, and the heat's going a lot, and so it's dry in the house, and my hair is staticky. Does that happen to you? Even though I put conditioner spray in my hair, I still had to just wet it down again and stuff because the hair just starts to fly away and or stick to my face, so we'll see how this goes. Take 4. Here we go again. Whee!